This video is to show you how the less than and more than operator functions work. Less than and more than. If you use the less than and more than function, what you are doing is you are saying to the algorithm builder that you want something, i.e. in this case the moving average 10 EMA, to be either less than or more than in your charts. So for example, if you wanted to create a scenario where the 10 moving average was less than the 50 moving average, you would use the less than function and then type the moving average that you wanted it to be less than. If you wanted to use the more than function, for example, you wanted to say when the 20 moving average is more than the 50 moving average, you would write that like so. So the 20 moving average compare is more than the 50 moving average, for example. And that is how you use the less than or more than operator. And you can see the less than or more than is used by a little small arrow.